Hi everyone, my name is Anmol Malvi and currently I am working as a data analyst. So I have started this video series in which I am discussing 100 questions for Microsoft DP-600 and I hope that using these questions you can learn more about Microsoft Fabric and score 900 plus marks. If you want to get access to all the questions, then you can purchase my Udemy course. In this course I have combined all the questions and you can find the discount coupon code in the description. And along with it, after you purchase the course, I will share the notes and additional questions as well as the case studies PDF. So do check it out. Now let's move to question 6. So it says that you have a Fabric tenant that contain a machine learning model registered in a Fabric workspace. You need to use the model to generate prediction by using the predict function in a Fabric notebook. Which two languages can you use to perform model scoring? And each correct answers present a complete solution. So this means that this is a multi-select question. So the options are T-SQL, DEX, Spark SQL and PySpark. So if you have worked with Microsoft Notebook, then you must be aware that there are 4 languages available. So let's directly move to it and see what are the languages available. So here you can see that PySpark Python is available, Spark Scala, Spark SQL and Spark R. So according to our options, PySpark Python and Spark SQL is available. So the correct answer will be Spark SQL and PySpark, which is option C and option D. So you can see in the explanation too, notebook only accept the languages PySpark, Spark, Spark SQL and Spark R. So this is all about question 6. I have also created a PDF for all these questions. So if you want to get this PDF, then you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. I will share the link in the description, or else you can purchase the Udemy course and get this PDF for free. So do let me know in case if you have any doubt. All the best for your exam. Thank you.